Did you know a man walked out of prison dressed as a guard and nobody stopped him? Willie Sutton was America's most famous gentleman bandit. For 30 years, he robbed over 100 banks without firing a single shot. His secret? Elaborate disguises. Sutton would dress as a police officer, postal worker, or maintenance man. He'd walk right into banks like he belonged there. Employees never suspected a thing. But Sutton's real genius showed in his prison escapes. He broke out 3 times using incredible tricks. Once, he disguised himself as a prison guard and simply walked out the front door. Guards thought he was one of them. When reporters asked why he robbed banks, Sutton supposedly said, "Because that's where the money is." He later denied ever saying this, but the quote made him a legend. Despite his politeness to victims, Sutton spent 24 years behind bars. His sophisticated methods forced banks to completely redesign their security systems. The gentleman bandit died peacefully in 1980, leaving behind a legacy that changed banking forever.